Due to the rapid rise of unemployment in the district, uncountable number of educated youths are forced to move outstation in search of employment for their living. Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu top the list among all the states in which the youths prefer to work in. Yes, it is true that many youths from the district belonging to Karbi community had moved far away from their hometown in search of suitable jobs for their living, as the employment job and opportunities seems to have faded within the district, and loss of life had also been reported often. Likewise, on 11th of October, one youth was found dead at Chiaram, Thrissur district, Kerala. The deceased person was identified as Jensing Ingti, 23 years old, son of Longki Ingti and Sintu Ronghangpi, resident of Disama Phumen Ingti village, Marvang. So far, no one knew the cause of his death. His roommate has no idea on how Jensing Ingti had lost his life. Parents and families of Jensing Ingti appeals the higher authority and Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC, to assist the family in bringing back the mortal remains of Jensing Ingti to perform the last rites. Parents of Jensing Ingti also appeals the concerned citizens with eyes filled with tears to kindly help them in this hour of grief in bringing back the mortal remains of his son. If any warm-hearted individual who is willing to help the families may kindly contribute on the account number 3753 439 879 shown on your screen. And to know the in-depth information of the incident, you may kindly contact on this number 939406 2527 provided on your screen. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.